Hi, I am Miss James, a practicing counselor working with children and adults for over 20 years. My specialty is with children. It is my delight to share awareness about depression through my lens. Depression is a silent killer like heart disease. No one should take it lightly nor ignore it. According to journals and literature, depression has been recognized for thousands of years. In ancient Greek and Roman times, they used treatments like exercise, baths, and special diets. During the Middle Ages, depression was often thought to be caused by demons, leading to harsh treatments like exorcisms and imprisonment right up to the early 19th century. In today's context, depression is linked to various factors affecting mental and physical health. Depression is an ongoing and rising common mental illness that exhibits sadness and loss of interest in activities. Millions are affected and struggling with this disease. I emphasize again, it is a disease. Young people today face unique challenges such as social media pressures and cyberbullying. Adults face ongoing stresses that include financial, marital, and parental issues. When a person has depression, it interferes in their daily life, like going to work or school, or taking care of children, or with relationships with family and friends. Depression causes significant changes in mood, thinking, and activity. In children specifically, there will be unexplained decline in academic performance, a lack of motivation, a loss of interest in school subjects, submitting unfinished classwork, or even giving up easily. Children and adults will also have social withdrawal and take risk or self destructive behavior. This generally can lead to suicide ideations. I would like to sum up that depression causes pain for the person who has it and for those who care for the person, which is why it is very important that one seeks help from a professional, be it a private practitioner, a psychologist, or a psychiatrist. In my view, the crucial help is when social and emotional support is given by relevant mental health agencies and, most importantly, by family or friends. If you belong to a church, ask your leaders to pray over you. If you have questions, you may ask REP's YouTube channel and I will respond accordingly. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this mini series of videos on depression on this What's the Problem segment of RAP's ministry. This also happens to be Men's Mental Month globally. Like me, perhaps you may wonder, what is the percentage of those who come out of depression and live a normal life again? IMH do not publish localized hospital-wide recovery stats for depressed patients. However, based on national population surveys and global psychiatric guidelines, approximately 50% to 67% of individuals with depression achieve sustained remission. So that's good news. Though about 50% will experience at least one relapse in their lifetime. Now, before we end, here are some useful tips to help someone that you may know who may be in depression. Number one, don't need to have all the right words. You do not need to have all the right words, but avoid saying things like snap out of it. You need to have more faith. Others have it worse. And such comments, don't say such comments to them. Instead, say something like this: I'm here for you. Thank you for trusting me. I just want to be here for you. Listen to them. Be quiet and let your presence be felt. That they know you are there with them, even though you may be silent with them in the situation. Number two, listen to understand. You're not there to fix the problem. Let them speak or be silent with them. Validate their feelings without necessarily agreeing with every conclusion that they come up with. Take the cue from them when they share and don't give advice or refer to examples of other cases. Number three, offer practical help. For example, have you had your dinner? Have you had your meal? Do you want to go out for some snacks? Can I help you to buy anything that you need, whether it be groceries, snacks, just anything? Would you like to take a short walk at the park with me? Can I drive you anywhere if you are driving? Yeah. Number 4, stay connected with them. Even if they pull away from you, remember, they may feel ashamed of themselves, that they are in depression, or they may lack the energy, or think that they are a burden even to you and so not worth your help or care. But send short messages, WhatsApp messages, no pressure kind of messages to them. If you need anything, let me know. I can help you with it. Number 5, be patient. Be patient with them. There are some days that may seem much better, and there may be days when they are not feeling very good. So don't measure progress by emotions alone. Should be glad that with the healing steps you observe, and these are the healing steps that you can observe in their recovery: getting out of bed, eating a meal, going out for a walk, requesting help from you. So these are good things to celebrate about in their recovery process. Number 6, when to suggest getting professional help. When the person talks about how he feels about being in this, you could say this with gentleness. Would you consider ways to help yourself out of this together with me? And wait for their response. Don't force it out of them. Remember to be present with them or with him if he doesn't answer this question at all. But he may come back to you later on. So, number 7, when do you act? When do you take action? When something is urgent. When he begins to verbalize that life isn't worth living. When he says something like, everyone would be better off without me, or I wish I could go to sleep and not wake up, or talks about self-harm. What do you do then? Well, if it's a friend or another family member, you talk to the family members about this concern or these things that he has brought up. You can encourage that person to seek help or suggest arranging help, professional help for them. And number 8, remember this, very important, that you are not their savior, but their companion, their friend, their loved one. You too should go to someone who can hear you out so that you are not alone in this, bearing this burden on yourself. So I hope that you are more aware and informed about this problem or this issue that we have highlighted here. And with these tips, you are equipped in the basics to help someone in depression as a friend or loved one. If you have a question or even would want to have a bit of a chat with Miss James, who you heard share part 3 on this topic, do write in and she will get back to you. You can be assured that no one else will have access to your email. Now, this is our email address on the screen and also our YouTube channel for you to take note of and maybe even to subscribe and be part of our YouTube channel where you'll be updated with all the latest videos that we are uploading. So thank you, and you have a blessed week ahead.